So friends, back in January this year, Samsung launched its flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra after a lot of speculations, and it hasn't been a lot of time since then, and rumors and leaks about its predecessor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, have started to circulate online. The smartphone is expected around January or February next year. While it is still too early to provide concrete details, here's everything we know so far about this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. With the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is expected to retain a similar design language, and it just switched to a flat-sided design this year. And it can also pack a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, and it can offer a peak brightness of 3000 nits. And rumors suggest that we might get to see an under-display selfie camera on the Galaxy S26 Ultra this time. And if this were true, we can get to see an uninterrupted display running from end to end. And under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be powered yet to be announced Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset built on 3nm process. Although Samsung is working on 2nm chip production, Qualcomm is likely to stick with 3nm technology for this generation, and along with this, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will run on One UI 8 based on Android 16. For cameras, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to retain its quad camera setup, featuring a 200 megapixel primary sensor, 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50 megapixel 5x zoom camera, and a 10 megapixel 3x zoom camera. We might also get to see a 12 megapixel under-display selfie camera. Lastly, it can carry a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging support. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.